Endangered animal. The polar bear. Hello, my name is Diego Ortega, and I am happy to be here today to talk about a very important topic, endangered animals. The animal I chose for this presentation is the polar bear. I chose the polar bear because it is one of the most iconic animals in the world, and sadly, it is in danger of disappearing. In this short presentation, I will tell you what polar bears are like, where they live, why they are endangered, and what we can do to help protect them. Description of the animal. The polar bear is a large mammal that lives in the Arctic region. It has white fur that helps it blend in white snout, and a thick layer of fat that keeps it warm in extremely cold temperatures. An adult male polar bear can weigh between 400 and 700 kilograms, and it can grow up to 3 meters long. Polar bears are very good swimmers. They can swim for long distance to find food or ice. Their main food is the seal. They wait on the ice for seals to come up for air, and then they catch them. Polar bears are solitary animals, and they need large areas of sea ice to survive and hunt. Why is it endangered? Polar bears are endangered mainly because of climate change. As the planet becomes warmer, the sea ice in the Arctic melts earlier in the year and for later. This means polar bears have less time to hunt for food. When there is no ice, they cannot catch seals and must swim for longer or great distance to find something to eat. This is very dangerous and often causes them to become weak or even die. Another problem is pollution. Chemicals in the ocean can affect the polar bear's health, and oil drilling in the Arctic also threatens their habitat. In some areas, people still hunt polar bears illegally. Although hunting is regulated in some countries, illegal hunting still happens and adds more risk. How many are left? What is being done? It is estimated that there are between 20,000 and 25,000 polar bears left in the wild. Some scientists believe that if climate change continues, 2/3 of polar bears could disappear by the year 2050. Locally, many organizations are trying to help. For example, the World Wildlife Fund is working on protecting the polar bear's habitat, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and educating people about the effects of climate change. Governments in countries like Canada, the United States, Norway, and Russia have created laws to protect polar bears and limit hunting. There are also international agreements that try to stop global warming and protect the Arctic region. Your opinion or call to action? In my opinion, the polar bear is one of the most amazing animals on Earth. It is strong, intelligent, and beautiful. I think it's very sad that we might lose this animal forever, but there is still time to help. We can all do small things to make a difference, like using less plastic, saving electricity, and learning more about endangered animals. We can also support organizations that fight against climate change and protect wildlife. It's your responsibility to take care of nature, of the animals that live in it. If we don't act now, future generation might never see a polar bear in the wild. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I hope you learning something new about polar bears and why they are endangered. Let's all work together to protect these amazing animals and your planet. Goodbye.